What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Sneaker Talk for a brand new sneaker haul. Now, over the last couple of months, I've been getting sent to me a ton of different shoes from a ton of different brands, and today I'm going to be showcasing to you guys a bunch of new sneakers that Adidas sent over. And yes, you read that title correctly. Adidas did send over a couple pair of Yeezys, not just one pair of Yeezys, a couple pairs. So I'm excited to show you guys today. But before we get to those shoes, I have a bunch more heat besides Yeezys that I want to show you guys. So I have 5 pairs in total, including a small accessory I picked up in July, which I want to quickly show you guys. It's pretty cool. If you're a fan of video games, you might know about the platform, but it is Twitch. Twitch actually, I got some socks from them. They had a booth over at VidCon in a hotel, and I picked up some Twitch socks. So I can't wait to wear these. But with that said, I do stream on Twitch. If you guys want to hang out with me at nighttime, I usually play some Apex Legends, Overwatch, or League of Legends, or some Fortnite here and there. So follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv/SneakerTalkCA. Link will be down below. I might be online while this video is being uploaded. They have that Twitch emote or that icon all over print with that white and purple signature color. And yeah, this is Sneaker Talk, not Sock Talk. Now let's get to the sneakers. Oh yeah, and before we do get to the shoes, I want to let you guys know we are doing some giveaways this fall season, so make sure you guys check out the other 2 videos I uploaded this month, the back to school sneaker guides and the back to school sneaker top 10 video. We're going to be giving away 1 pair of shoes for every 1,000 likes on that top 10 video. So next up, let's get to this pair of shoes right here. You might recognize the logo right here, that Arizona logo. Now, if you noticed, or if you've been paying attention to social media, you guys might have heard about that Arizona 99-cent pop-up they had in New York City with Adidas, and this is not from that pack. I was expecting to get a shoe from that pack, but they actually sent over a pair that wasn't released for 99 cents in New York City. So let me slide these open. Very, very simple box, and bam, here we have it. These right here are the Adidas Continental Volk, and as you can tell, there's so many lacing options on this. So let me get the shoe that doesn't have the laces all over it. The Adidas Continental Volk Arizona collaboration, and these are fresh. These are really fresh. You have that Arizona logo all over, like embroidered or stitched into the shoe. We got the hits of teal with the Adidas. We got more hits of teal on the booty. We even got that logo on the bottom right there too. Even the tongue is fresh. So lots of small details. I will be doing a review on these shoes very soon, so stay tuned. With that said, for the comment question of the day, if you guys want to enter a very small Supreme sticker giveaway, comment down below your favorite Arizona drink, your favorite Arizona flavor. I myself love the regular, iced tea. I also love the mango flavor and the watermelon. It's hard to choose, but let's just go with the classic iced tea. That's my personal favorite. I want to show you guys the lacing options for this, because these things came with a ton of really cool laces. So first up, we have this like rainbow Arizona sort of themed lace right here. Very wild and bold. You also got the hits of teal right here, all teal laces, and then they also got pink as well. So this is definitely a fun sneaker you can really sort of customize to your own taste with just the lacing options that they provide you. Next up, we have an Adidas 4D sneaker. If you guys know about 4D, you guys know it's their like latest tech when it comes to the footwear they are putting out. It's the 3D printing stuff. I don't really know why they call it 4D, because it's 3D printed. But these right here are in fact the 3rd pair of 4D sneakers Adidas has sent over to me over the last year. They sent over the Alpha Edge, that white colorway. They also sent over the OG colorway for the 4D Alpha Edge, or no, the ZX 4000 4D, and that's actually the model for this shoe, the Adidas ZX 4000 4D. If you follow me on Instagram, which is @SneakerTalkCA, you would know I got these a while ago, and I even threw photos of these up on the gram, and these are cool, man. These are cool. This colorway definitely took some time to grow on me. It has that sort of neon, not really a neon green, but that faded weird neon green, neon yellow mixed with hints of pink. It's a very unique color scheme in my opinion, and it also really reminds me of like when I've mowed my lawn with white sneakers and you get grass stains on your shoes. That's what that shade of green really reminds me of. So yeah, Adidas ZX 4000 4D. I'll leave links to all these sneakers as well in the description down below if you guys want to cop them for retail or just cop cop them if they're still available for retail. But these shoes are cool. And anytime I wear a 4D shoe, it's definitely like a neck break or a head turner, just because it's not something you see very often. Like, let me show you guys that 4D 3D printed midsole real quick. It's so cool. It's so cool. And I've actually never had to worry about cleaning these just yet. You can see some dust in here. It almost reminds me of like when you look under a microscope in like your high school science class and you can see like the molecules of stuff. That's what it reminds me of. But yeah, ZX4000 4D in this sort of neon green and pink colorway. Still waiting for those Nike runners or the i59234Ds. I need those to come out soon. But for now, these 4Ds are really nice. And yeah, thank you Adidas for sending these over. Next up is probably the loudest shoes from this haul. And actually, before I get to the loudest pair of shoes from this haul, I want to get to sort of like a matching t-shirt. They actually sent over this cool sort of lime green t-shirt, which is perfect for the summer, which is when they actually sent all of this stuff over. They didn't send it to me in like September or August. They sent this stuff to me in like June. So I'm really behind. Sorry Adidas, thank you for your patience. They're still sending me stuff, which I really appreciate. So we're just getting back into the content grind with these daily videos. So stay tuned, lots of sneaker reviews coming soon. But yeah, let's get to this shirt real quick. This shirt's cool. So it has this all green, you know, color to it. And then it has this hit of a little logo, some art right here, Adidas Originals. And it gives me these like popsicle kind of vibes, tropical popsicle vibes. And on the back of the shirt, it has a different print with an actual popsicle, which is cool. So yeah, that is a look at the shirt. That's the back. This is the front. Definitely a bold, fun shirt you can wear, and I think it's gonna match the sneakers I'm about to show you guys, and you can even pair it with those Arizona sneakers I showed you guys just a second ago. So thank you Adidas for this shirt. If you guys want to see how I match this with some sneakers, follow me on Instagram for the outfit content at SneakerTalkCA. But next up, let's get to the shoes, and these are bold and loud. So these right here come in the standard blue Adidas Originals box, and oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear these. Here we have it, the Adidas Ozweego. I'm a huge fan of the Adidas Ozweego model. I've talked about it in the past when I was like in the Philippines looking at a couple colorways. And this one is bold. I think it's the loudest Ozweego colorway they've released. And it is the S green, black, and glow green colorway. That's what it says on the box. Maybe these glow in the dark. I don't know. But if you actually missed out on the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 glow in the darks, then this right here will match that aesthetic perfectly. Like if you wanted to get that bold neon green Adidas running shoe, then check these out. The Adidas Ozweego in that green colorway. These are so loud, man. These will definitely break a neck if you wear these wherever you go. And oh, I like the nice little hit of like maroon. There's like hits of maroon right here on the 3 stripes, and then they also have hits of maroon on the insole as well. So Adidas Ozweego, I can't wait for them to drop more colorways of the shoe. I'm a really big fan of this shoe. Now it is Yeezy time. We got 2 pairs right here. Oh my gosh, thank you my family at the Adidas Canada headquarters. You guys bless me. Thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I can't wait to wear these a whole ton and beat these up. So these right here are both brand new Yeezys that came out over the summer, and they're both Yeezy 700. So the 700 I know is not as popular as the 350, but they're still a really solid shoe, and I actually wore the mauves in Japan last winter. Mauve, how do you pronounce it? But the pair that has like the neon hit green on the midsole on the back, I wore those in Japan, and these right here are quite similar. At least both pairs are quite similar in terms of their color scheme. So this is the first one. I just slid open the box real quick, and these are the Tepras. The Tepra Yeezy Boost 700 V2. Has this earthy tone kind of look to it. All brown, not all brown, it has like different shades of brown to it. A shoe you can probably wear with a lot of different outfits as well. You have the gum bottoms too, which is a nice touch. You can see the exposed boost as well on the outsole. And here's the back. This is cool. This is a dope pair of shoes. I can't wait to wear these with some like Stone Island cargo pants. Maybe throw on a nice black bomber jacket or an olive or a tan kind of bomber jacket for the fall season. Thank you Adidas for sending these beautiful Tepras over, and they're actually surprisingly light. Like considering the bulkiness of this Yeezy, you would expect them to be very heavy, but they're surprisingly light. And I will be doing a review on these very, very soon on the channel, so stay tuned. But that's the first pair of Yeezys. Let's get to the next. Here we go, final box right here for today's sneaker haul. Yeezy Boost 700, yet again another 700, and these are a V2 model as well. I'm excited for the new 700s that are coming out like any day now. They're on screen. Those will be coming out. It's like a gray colorway, but these right here are just as fresh as the Tepras I showed you guys. These right here, oh actually, these aren't the V2s, these are the V1s. These are a Yeezy Boost 700 V1. This is the that black and gum colorway, the utility black. And let me show you guys these side by side actually. The main thing you're gonna notice is the design on the side. That's what they really changed from the V1 here to the V2. They basically added like stripes on the side right here. But yeah, the black pair, real fresh. This will be super wearable with literally everything. You can't go wrong with these shoes. All black, we got hits of suede, we got hits of leather as well on the side. Here's a look at the back booty as well with some mesh. So there you guys have it. If you made it to the end of the video, comment down below which Yeezy 700 you guys like more. Do you guys like the Yeezy Boost 700 V1 or the 700 V2? And if you want to get specific, which colorway do you guys like the most out of these two? Do you guys like this utility black or do you like the 700 V2 Tepras? I'd love to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. And of course, throughout this month, I'll be giving random people who are active in the SneakerTalk family free sneakers, free merch, and free accessories all month long. So just be active, stick around to the end of the video like this person on screen. Congrats to you. You yourself won a free pair of sneakers. So reach out to me over Instagram or on YouTube right now in the comment section and I'll lace you up with a fresh pair of shoes. Thank you again, Adidas, for sending over all these kicks. This is just like the tip of the iceberg. I have 2 more Adidas hauls to show you guys. I also have a Puma haul coming up, a Nike haul coming up, and a ton of sneaker reviews. So get ready, turn notifications on, and yeah, hope you guys have an amazing week. It feels good to be back on the channel. I know I missed the last 2 days, but we're back, boys. We're back, we're grinding, we're gonna crush it this rest of the year, and hope you guys do too. I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out. Oh, I'll be streaming on Twitch. So twitch.tv/SneakerTalkCA. Come hang out with me and my girlfriend, and yeah, it's a good time. All right, that's it.